If you are grinding a game and want to save time, boosting services can help. But which one is worth your money? Today we are comparing two of the biggest names, Overgear and Skycoach. Let's break it down fast. Game coverage and services. Overgear covers a wide range of titles: World of Warcraft raids, dungeons, PvP, leveling, achievements, gold, and items. And it also offers account sales, which not every competitor does. Skycoach supports a broader mix of games overall, including World of Warcraft, Destiny 2, Diablo 4, Escape from Tarkov, Final Fantasy, Path of Exile, and old school RuneScape. It's especially known for its WoW or World of Warcraft PvP coaching and arena boosting. Bottom line, Overgear is deeper on WoW specific services and account sales. Skycoach wins if you play multiple games beyond WoW or World of Warcraft. Pricing and security. Both platforms offer secure checkout and anti-fraud payment protection. Overgear includes 24/7 live chat support and a transparent booster rating system, so you can see real feedback before choosing who carries you. Skycoach offers instant delivery, in-house boosting teams, flexible discounts, and a money-back guarantee. It also has a mobile app, which makes tracking orders easier on the go. Neither service requires you to create an account just to browse or order, keeping things quick and low friction. Reputation and reviews. On Trustpilot, Overgear holds a 4.9 out of 5 from roughly 37,000 reviews. Skycoach sits close behind at 4.6 out of 5 from about 27,000 reviews. Both are considered legitimate, established platforms. Skycoach has operated since 2017, and Overgear has built one of the largest review counts in the industry. In terms of web traffic, Skycoach currently ranks higher globally in the gaming services category, suggesting a larger overall user base, though Overgear's review scores edge out slightly higher. Who should pick which? Choose Overgear if you mainly play World of Warcraft, want account sales as an option, or prioritize the highest rated reviews. Choose Skycoach if you play multiple games, want a dedicated mobile app, or specifically need top-tier World of Warcraft PvP coaching. Both Overgear and Skycoach are legitimate, well-reviewed boosting platforms. The better choice really depends on which games you play and what kind of service you need. And that's all for today's video. Let me know down below in the comments which one you have tried, Skycoach or Overgear. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.